Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Benzene Jira video series. This is Abhijeet from Benzene, and today I'm going to talk about how to link Jira tickets to the parent ticket. Let's go to Jira and see. So friends, first we have to come to the backlog where we can see there are certain epics we have already created. Here we can see some stories, the tasks, the bugs. Inside the stories we can see some subtask as well. So let's see how to link the tickets. So for example, here are the list of the epic. So let's go to the any epic. So when you click on the tickets and you go inside, then you see this kind of symbol, or sometimes in the different version of the Jira, you can see the directly the create issue or something. So click here, go to the link issue. So now, friends, we want to show that okay, this is the epic, and there are certain tickets that is blocking the epic. It means without completing those tickets, we cannot move forward and complete this epic, right? So come here. This epic is blocked by search some issues. For example, let's search this story blocks this epic. Then link. So now you can see that under the epic, this is the story and it is showing that it is blocked by this story. So it means if you want complete this story, you want to be able to complete this epic. Same way, if we want to mark others item as the blocked for the epic, then we can search and mark. Suppose this bug is the blocking for epic. So we have linked it. It means till that time we will not finish this bug. We want to be able to complete mark the epic, right? Same way, if we want to highlight that okay, this is the story, let's click there, go to inside the story, go to link issues. We can see already there are a bug that is blocking this story. It means till that time we want finish this bug, we want to be able to complete the story. Same way, we want to add some more. Okay, this story is blocked by let's example this task. So just linked. The same way, if you want to link something inside the task or bug or anything or anywhere, you can just go inside, click on the link symbol, and just link the issues. This way, you can highlight that okay, this item is blocked by something, and first we have to finish that to the blocking item. Then only we can move forward, right? So, friends, if you like this video, please like and share, and also subscribe our channel Benzene for such videos. Thank you so much.